Radhe Radhe everyone, this is Mancha and today I'm going to talk about Saturn in the 5th house. What happens when the planet of justice, law, karma, duty and responsibility comes and sits in the house of happiness, creativity, children, stock market, gambling. This is also the house of happiness, by the way, right? So what happens when Saturn is sitting in the house of happiness? Imagine Saturn is a planet of dull, dry and cold. Saturn doesn't know any relationship. Saturn just knows justice. Saturn knows justice, that's it. And it is sitting in your house of happiness. It's sitting in the house of your education. What can you expect? It's sitting in the house of your love affairs. Okay, for love affairs, I think I can recall one song, and that song is by Akon. Lonely, I'm Mr. Lonely, Mr. or Miss, okay? I'm Mr. Lonely, I have nobody for my own. Lonely, I am so lonely, I have nobody for my own. So this is the song that somebody who has Saturn in the 5th house can definitely sing when it comes to love affairs, because frankly telling you that love part takes a very backseat. It takes a very cold turn, dry turn, kind of turn which is very bitter, very bitter. And in case Saturn is a 7th lord, then forget it. You are going to see that okay, it's relationship is not fun anymore. Relationship is just about responsibility. Oh my god, where I'm into. Okay, so this is what is Saturn in the 5th house. And is it all gloomy? Because the way I am singing and the way I'm narrating, it's not so actually. By the way, I have Saturn retro in my chart. Retro Saturn in my chart in the 5th house. Okay, so and it is aspecting my 7th house, it is aspecting my 11th house, and it is aspecting my 2nd house as well. So Saturn 5th house is very close, and that's why you can actually see me singing songs in my Hindi video also, in my English video also. I'm like Saturn, Saturn the 5th house. I can write a book one day. Maybe I'll write a book on Saturn in the 5th house. Okay, so what happens? Saturn in the 5th house, you'll become a very serious student. Very serious student. From day one, you would like to sit on the first bench, or either you'll be very lethargic and you will try to sit at the back, like cornermost seat in the school, either first bench or the last bench. It's like that. There's no midway for this person who has Saturn in the 5th house. You can become a student of philosophy, like I'm a student of philosophy. You can become a student of law, like I'm a student of law. I'm a lawyer and I'm a forever philosophy student. And also you can be interested in constitution, anything related with justice, company secretary, chartered accountant, administration, UPSC, judiciary, anything related to law, justice, administration. It's gonna work with you completely. And it's not like that education always get affected when Saturn is sitting in the 5th house. It's not so. In fact, I topped in my college when I was a BA honors philosophy student, and that's a matter of record. And I was studying in Delhi University, by the way, and I also was among the 1% topper in my law. So you can see that education area is not that bad, particularly if you're following the 3 mantras and 3 rules that Saturn always prescribes. And what are those 3 rules? Patience, perseverance, and hard work. That's it. No ritual that you have to do on Saturday. Obviously, you can respect elders. You can respect and do something for the disabled, for the ones who are less fortunate. But you don't have to do any kind of particular remedy or ritual as far as puja part is concerned in case of Saturn. as a planet. Okay. Also, let's talk about, like I have said, I think enough. I've sang also for Saturn in the fifth house. So now let's see what are the Saturn's aspect doing in this case, particularly when Saturn is sitting in the fifth house, what it is going to do. By its aspect, by its third aspect, seventh aspect, and 10th aspect, because we have already read that how many aspects Saturn has. It has three aspects, 3, 7, and 10. By its third aspect, it is aspecting the seventh house of relationship. So relationship is always better when you get married after the age of 32 or 36. Before, if you want to do anything with the relationship, you just go and see and experience. You can just imagine yourself. I've already told you, and I have kind of warned you, not just told you but warned you, that please focus on the other areas of life. Other than seventh house, there are so many other areas. You have first house, second house, third house, fourth house. 11 houses are there other than seventh house. Okay, so if Saturn is aspecting your seventh house, please stop thinking about the seventh house relationship area, at least till you are 32. And even after that, when you get married, relationship is only about responsibility and about duty and about obligations. Okay, of course there would be a element of charm in that relationship as well, but wait for that. Okay, focus on the 11 houses that you have already. Fine. So Saturn, by its third aspect, aspecting the seventh house, is gonna delay relationship, is gonna delay childbirth, also is gonna delay marriage. Obviously, if in India the marriage is going to delay, the childbirth is also going to get delayed. And other than that, any kind of partnership, because see, marriage is also a kind of partnership. There are two partners who are equal. They come together, they create, they make babies and all that. So what happens, any kind of partnership also, if you want to, for example, you want to start a partnership in logistics sector, in foods industry, or in service sector, then that too also you can do it individually before the age of 30 years. But in case you want to enter into partnership, then please do it after the age of 32 or 36. Okay, so then it will definitely flourish, because you'll understand the responsibility part of it. Okay, that's a promise. You'll understand the responsibility part of it. I feel so much responsible, as Saturn is in the house of my education, and it's in the sign of Sagittarius in my chart. So I feel it is my responsibility that I have studied this subject, astrology. So I must make people aware, and that too free of cost. And that's why I'm just doing my duty by making these videos. Okay, so this is what Saturn does by sitting in the fifth house, aspecting the seventh house. Okay, by its third aspect. Now coming to the seventh aspect of Saturn, Saturn by its seventh aspect is aspecting the house of our hopes and desires, the 11th house, the hopes and desires house, the house of our elder siblings, the house of our gains as well, income and gains. So all these areas are going to get affected, and we are going to get results only after the age of 36 years. Before that, you might not be able to understand your elder brother or elder sister, and they might not be able to understand you. Okay, your income and gain will be restricted. Also, your hopes and desire, like whatever hopes are there, whatever desires are there, whatever hopes are there, are going to get fulfilled only after the age of 36 years. And in case you have done that hard work, patience, and perseverance thing, then might be, before 36, that is by 32 or 30. Saturn by its last aspect, that is the 10th aspect, is aspecting the second house of our wealth, family and speech. Okay, Dhan Kutum Vani, as they say in Hindi. So the relationship with our family becomes very restrictive. We don't like to talk much. We feel like we have life is only about study, and becoming a very serious student, sitting on the first bench and thinking about the studies. Even if, like for example, if we are watching Netflix, we are watching some documentary. So it's like that. Saturn the fifth house is the kind of person that even if that Netflix subscription is only for watching the documentary, the historical documentary that you have, okay, that's there is a playlist that you have of the historical documentary for a Saturn in the fifth house person. So also the wealth part, the wealth that we have, family is also wealth. Okay, that's the most stable wealth. and the most precious also. So the wealth part is going to get stable only after the age of 36 years. Okay, so this was my video on Saturn in the fifth house. Saturn in the fifth house is definitely very, very close to my heart, and as I told you that one day maybe I'll be writing a book on that. And so I would recommend you that in case you have any queries, then please do not hesitate to comment in the comment section. I answer almost every comment in my channel, and so please put your comments and do let me know what are your suggestions and what are your queries, particularly in case you have Saturn in the fifth and if it is retro or if it is normal. And also that in case you want to book a consultation with me, then you can go to my website, which is www.astromansha.com. In case you want to mail anything to me, then you can reach me on astromansha@gmail.com. And also you can just comment here, as I said already. So thank you so much for watching. Hare Krishna.